this dress is impossibly short. I guess it's too late to abort. You never were the sort to let a bait fall through. Oh no, not you. You push my buttons, baby, that's what you do. Only time will tell if maybe after we're through I might come crawling